Hello, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to fix Black Myth Wukong 10007 save failed error. If you're experiencing issues with Black Myth Wukong, here are some steps to help you resolve the problem. If you're facing the 10007 save failed error in Black Myth Wukong, you are not alone. Many players have encountered this issue, especially after battling the first mini-boss. Unfortunately, there is no specific fix for this error, but you can follow some common fixes to fix your issue. Solution number 1 is to restart the game. Sometimes simply restarting the game can resolve minor issues like the 107 save failed error. Closing the game and relaunching it refreshes the system and clears temporary glitches. After restarting, check if your progress is still saved and whether the error persists. This is often a quick and easy fix for minor problems. Solution number 2 is to check for updates. Ensure the game and your system are updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches to fix bugs, including save errors like the 107 issue. Head to your game launcher or system settings to check for any available updates. Installing these updates might solve the problem without needing further troubleshooting. Solution number 3 is to turn off ray tracing. Open the game and go to the settings menu. Navigate to the graphics or video settings section. Look for the ray tracing option. Toggle ray tracing to off. Save the changes and exit the settings menu. Restart the game and check if the save error still continues. Solution number 4 is to verify game files. Open the game platform you are using, go to your library and locate Black Myth Wukong. Right-click on the game title and select Properties or Equivalent. In the Properties window, find the Local Files tab. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files on Steam or similar option. Wait for the verification process to complete. Once done, restart the game and see if the error has been fixed. The final solution is to reinstall the game. If the error continues after trying other solutions, reinstalling Black Myth Wukong could help. Uninstall the game through your launcher and then reinstall it fresh. This process replaces any potentially corrupted files causing the same error. Once reinstalled, start the game and see if the issue has been resolved. Hope this video helped. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.